So I'm just out here riding, guys. It's a beautiful day. Doing some cardio and taking some pics along the way and flying the drone. Hey guys, what's up? It's Jamal J here, and today I'm gonna do some drone flying. So DJI, they recently, well, like maybe 2 days ago, they made an update to their firmware of the Mavic Mini, and this firmware update is a really good one because it now allows you to manually control, like, you know, your ISO, your shutter speed, and those kind of stuff. So with this, I think the drone is more than just a beginner drone now, and you can really take awesome photos with this, like photos like a professional photographer. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, show you guys some videos, some photos, and let you guys see what the update is all about. Okay, so I'm going to change right now. So to change, you just need to hit auto right here, and as you guys can see, it changed to the manual controls, and you have shutter speed, ISO, and you can change those. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the shutter speed. So it's recording, and let's start this and see.